Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing a 4-ingredient cookie recipe made with almond flour and coconut with a hint of chocolate flavor. This recipe is gluten-free and contains no added sugar. Plus, I used an air fryer instead of baking them in the oven. Let's get into the recipe now. First, soak 15 dates in hot boiling water for 15 to 20 minutes or until they soften. Drain the water completely and set the dates aside. Let them cool slightly before grinding. You can drink the leftover date water as is or use it in smoothies. Now grind the softened dates into a smooth puree without adding any water. Transfer the date paste to a mixing bowl. Add 2 cups of almond flour, half cup of desiccated coconut and 1 heaped tablespoon of cocoa powder. Mix everything until well combined. The cookie dough should be firm to get crispier cookies, not soggy ones. If the mixture feels too loose, add a little more almond flour or desiccated coconut to reach the right consistency. I am adding a bit more coconut here to make the dough firmer. Do not add any water to this recipe. The thicker the dough, the crispier the cookies will be. Now take a gooseberry-sized amount of dough and roll it into a smooth ball. Press it gently between your palms and flatten it slightly as shown in the video. Repeat this process with the remaining dough. Avoid making the cookies too thick as they will take longer to cook and might turn out soft instead of crispy. Now take a fork and get creative with the cookie top, just like I saw in the video. It is completely optional but a lot of fun. Preheat your air fryer and air fry the cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes, 6 minutes on each side. Cooking time may vary depending on your air fryer. Mine took around 12 to 15 minutes total. Cook until the cookies are crispy. You can also bake them in the oven. The baking time will be about 12 to 15 minutes or until they are cooked through and crispy. For the first batch, I flipped the cookies every 3 minutes for even cooking. Let the cookies cool slightly. I will show you how they turned out later in the video, so make sure to watch till the end. Repeat the air frying process with the remaining dough. And that's it. Your 4-ingredient almond coconut cookies are ready. If you are looking for a gluten-free and no sugar added snack, this recipe is perfect. I have also shared other almond flour recipes like 2-ingredient almond cookies and a chocolate almond flour cake. I will leave the link in the description box, so be sure to check them out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching.